Okay. And I am that one friend that's gonna tell you your lashes are loop-sided or your lashes are lifting. So let's begin. I have a full face of makeup on. The only thing missing is lashes. So we're gonna talk about applying your lashes on perfectly. Make sure you apply them according to your eye shape. Strip lashes, this is not individual. Step one, make sure you've got a mirror near you, able to look at your eyes up and close. Second, you're gonna need a mascara. You're gonna apply your mascara because putting lashes without mascara is like putting eyeshadow without a primer, right? Because a mascara is gonna hold up your lash. Obviously, catering to the people who also have alopecia, there's also a different way you can do this. I literally have the most tiniest lashes. When you get your lashes, usually they come like this, in this length. So you need to stop using lashes from like lashes that look like strings of a Barbie doll hair. Get you some good lashes, Adele lashes. When I started using Adele lashes, the wispy lashes. You know, if you like the big one, the mink ones, yes, get those, but make sure it's a good lash. I got this off Amazon and these are so good as well. And you're not just gonna put it on, because that way you then end up with a lash that's super long and that's uncomfortable, that's droopy and loopy like this, and we're trying to avoid that. To get a scissors, make sure you got a little scissors. Put the lash on your eye, because when it does come, it comes quite sticky. Try to put it on and just see where it ends and where it doesn't, because some people have got small eyelid, some people have got long ones, so you might not even need to cut it, but I like to cut mine. I'm actually gonna cut it. I always say, if you don't know how to measure it, just cut like where you can see. Get a small little scissors, if you even a big one, it doesn't matter. Okay, and you're gonna just cut right at the end like that. I have cut mine and I've measured mine. Get a good glue. I like to use the good old glue that probably people still don't use. I love to use my hair bonding glue. If you have sensitive eyes, use a lash glue that is for sensitive eyes. Get the glue on. Get a good pair of tweezers. The tweezer in your hand like so. Then you got a good grab. You get the mirror. Get your mirror. Look down on the mirror where you can actually see your lash. You want to place it right in the middle before you press. So don't start off just by putting on the corner. Make sure it's set in the middle. It's actually on. Make sure your glue is tacky as well. And then you're gonna start laying the front, but make sure that this lash is not hanging. I'm just pressing it down. So now I've laid that other side on. I am making sure that it's not loopy. I am pressing it upwards, and I'm pressing the rest of the lash upwards as well, because what you don't want is a lash that's like loopy. So when I look at you, you are not seeing my lash like this. That is not cute. So on this side, I'm going to show you a different way to do it, because if you do not have hairs, like let's say you suffer from alopecia and you have lost hairs on your eyes, there's a quicker way to do it. Also, there's magnetic lashes, isn't it, that have been made easy and stuff, but I still feel like you have to know some bit of a technique on how to apply it, because you can still have loopy lashes. Same process, we cut our lash after we've measured it on our eye. You need a mirror still, and you're gonna apply it as if you are applying an eyeliner. Also apply it on the lash. Getting the lash, because that glue is already tacky, you are looking down the same way and you are applying the lash. So I am making sure the middle is stuck, then I'm also gonna start moving. So once that lash is on, you go in with your tweezer, or you can go in with your fingers, but I prefer going in with a tweezer, and then you just press that together so everything is stuck on. And I also like to just push the lash upwards so that you can actually see the volume, the beautifulness of the lash. Last step that I do is just brush up the mascara on your lashes together, mixing with your lashes and the false lashes, and then you get a perfect volumized lash. Oh, and another tip, just make sure your hair is out of the way when applying lashes. I hope this video was helpful, guys, and I hope like you're enjoying these little mini tutorials that I have been doing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment, likes. Tell me your thoughts, tell me what other videos you'd love to see from me. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye guys.